Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for clicking. I was talking to a few of my friends the other day and they complained about having very sensitive skin and hair, so no product actually seems to work for them. So I was like, oh, I actually know how to do a black soap shampoo or body wash that's works for sensitive skin. I'm actually doing this video for them and for any other person that has sensitive skin and seems to react to almost every product they use. So for this simple black soap shampoo slash body wash recipe, we are going to be needing some black soap shampoo, sorry we are going to be needing some black soap, some essential oils. I got these from Tinky Essentials on Instagram. Just a tiny little bit of turmeric. I used half teaspoon, and then some spatula to stir, a measuring spoon to measure the turmeric, and some bowls. So basically that's it. If you want to see how this goes, stay with me and let's go. Okay guys, so I'm going to start off by using this chopping board. I steal it from my mom's kitchen, and I'm going to put some tissue papers over it because I don't want the black soap sticking onto the chopping board. And I am going to use the knife to just cut about half of this. Oh, this is really soft. Wow. Okay, so I'm just going to chop it up. It doesn't have to be even. And we are just going to drop it into the hot water in the glass bowl. Ooh. Okay guys, so we are just going to clean out the knife with the tissue to avoid the particles from spreading, and we're just going to clear out the chopping board, and then we're going to get ready to, we're just going to bring a bowl in with a little bit of hot water in it, and you have to make sure that the bowl is a little bit bigger than the bowl that you're actually making the soup in, and also conduct heat. So this is a Pyrex bowl, and it's kind of good conductor of heat for the double boil process or something that it is called. So I'm just going to put the bowl with the black soap and the water into the bigger bowl, and I'm going to use this wooden spatula. You can use any spoon of your choice, by the way, but this just works for me greatly. So I'm just going to start using this in a slow motion to stir the black soap to help the dissolving process better, to help the process be faster, I mean. So you don't want to stir too fast, you don't want to stir too slowly, just enough so the black soap doesn't lather and all that. And I realized that the water around the bowl was too small and getting a bit cold, so I added a little bit more hot water to light the process up. So as you can see, it has dissolved, and that's the amount left. So I'm just gonna keep stirring until it is all dissolved. Now the one thing I realized was I put a little bit too much water, so I didn't really get the consistency I wanted. It was a little bit too watery, but then You guys will see it at the end. Let me not spoil it for you. So yeah, to me it was just a little bit watery, but then if you like it like that, especially if you're going to be putting it in an applicator bottle and applying it straight forward to your scalp, then this works fine. But then if you want to put it in a bottle like I'll be doing in the end or something, you will probably need less water or more soap. So the consistency is also up to you. You know what you want, just go for it. So yeah, it's completely dissolved now, so I'm just going to go in with this turmeric powder. We don't want to put too much in it, also we're going to have this yellowish residue on our skin or in our hair after we use it. So I'm just going to put about half a tablespoon or a teaspoon, that quantity, into it. And what you want to do is to stir it. The reason you have to stir before you put the oils is because powder kind of dissolves in water when there's no oil present than when there's oil and then you now introduce the powder. So yeah, we're just going to stir that in, and then we're going to introduce our essential oils from Tinky Essentials on Instagram, and this is our rose hip oil. And for each oil we are going to do about 10 to 15 drops. I know for some people it's kind of on the high side, but if you're someone who is into aromatherapy like I am, then you definitely want to do the 10 to 15 drops. If you are not really into the strongly smelling stuff, then you want to do between 3 to 5 drops should be fine for you, for those who are really extra sensitive. So for me, I go with 10 to 15 drops for each. So that was rose hip oil, and that was, I don't know what I did before, but then this is tea tree oil, and as you can see it's also from Tinky, and I am going to be adding about 10 to 15 drops of each. So yeah, I don't know if I'm the only one who does this, but when I'm watching videos like this I normally count the drops just to make sure that they are not lying to me. Anyway, if you are like me, you can count as I'm dropping it. This is lavender oil, and guys, let me tell you one thing about these essential oils from Tinky Essentials. Like, they are so strong and they smell so great and they work so great, and they're actually very cost effective as well. This is the eucalyptus oil. I'm going to do about the same 10 to 15 drops, and I don't know if I left one out, but I think, yeah, last one is the geranium oil. This also smells amazing and it has really cool properties, and it smells so great and it works so great. So again, about 10 to 15 drops of this as well, and we're going to be stirring that mixture all together to incorporate the oils in the black soap solution, if I should call it that for now, because, well, I think is we have what we want, right? The body wash slash the shampoo, because this is practically the whole process. You just need the black soap, some water, essential oils, some turmeric, that is very optional, and that's it. So I'm just going to take my mixture out, and the water is white because some of the black soap fell into it. So there you have it. So I'm just going to throw that water out quickly, and I'm just going to rinse out the bowl, and I'm just going to make sure it is dry by wiping it with a napkin. And I'm going to put this measuring cup on it, I mean inside it, and I'm just going to pour the mixture into it. And this is just to help me pour it into the bottle without having it spilling all over the place and making a mess. And I also want to save my black soap, so I don't want anything going to waste, because I'll be using it for my skin and my hair, and truth be told, it's not enough for me. So anyway, so I'm just going to pour it from the measuring cup into the bottle. This was actually an old shampoo bottle and I saved it. So yeah, DIYs, You gotta save stuff, honey. So I'm just gonna pour it in, and as you can see, this bottle was full and I still had quite a lot left. So I had this old apple cider vinegar glass bottle, and I just decided to pour the rest in it. So that's it. I'm just gonna pour it inside and save it for when the one in the white bottle is done. I'm just gonna fill it up and I'm going to save money, honey. I gotta save that money, boo. So instead of buying shower gels from shops, spending a whole lot of money, cedis, dollars, pounds, whatever, to get soap, you can do this simple one at home. You can also use it for your hand wash. You can use it to wash bowls, anything you want it to do. Like, but I mean, with the essential oil goodness in this, sweetheart, just use it for your shower gel, okay? Don't use to wash no bowls. Bowls don't need essential oils. So I'm just going to show you guys quickly just a little demo on how I use it. But before then, make sure you clean your bottle with a wet paper towel to make sure that there's no soap around the bottle, and to make sure that the bottle is also clean and not slippery because it is glass. And if it should fall, all your hard work is going to go to the floor. So yeah, just an extra tip to keep it safe. And I don't know what to say, guys, but I totally enjoyed making this. So I'm going to show you guys how I used it to wash my hands, and the purpose of this is to show you guys how much it laded with. Just look at the quantity I'm gonna pour. I just poured something really small, and let me not spoil it. Look at the quantity. That's really small, right? And guys, look at how much it is lathering. And it's not even thick, so imagine if I made it thicker. So yeah, just make sure you do that. Guys, look at how much that little light black soap is lathering. Like, I am over myself right now. So you can imagine using this for a shower gel. Even though it is light, you're still going to get maximum use and feel and benefit out of it. And it's very safe, it's economical, it is simple to do, and for my sensitive skin and hair people like you, this will work great for you. So I'm just going to rinse my hands now, and I'm going to dry it. Sorry guys, I'm doing the editing at work, so calls are coming in. I'm sorry. So I'm just going to dry my hands with another napkin, a clean napkin now. And what I want you guys to see is a difference in skin, right? I just used the black soap and my skin looks very moisturized, and as if I have some kind of cream on or something. No, it is just the shampoo, and it's very moisturizing. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video.